single misstep, and suddenly you're fighting to survive.
No hospitals, no cell service.
Only your knowledge stands between life and death.
Survival isn't just about gear, it's about knowing how to use it.
Imagine you're deep in the wilderness, miles away from civilization, when suddenly an unexpected injury occurs. In these critical moments, knowing how to respond can mean the difference between life and death. Today, we delve into mastering wilderness first aid.
What you need to know.
Essential knowledge for every outdoor enthusiast. Preparation begins before you set foot on the trail. A comprehensive first aid kit is indispensable. Ensure it's easily accessible, as emergencies can arise without warning. Injuries like cuts or abrasions are common. Immediate cleaning with purified water reduces infection risk. Apply an antiseptic and cover with a sterile bandage to protect the wound. For sprains or strains, the RICE method, rest, ice, compression, elevation, helps manage swelling and pain effectively. Encounters with wildlife, such as snakes, can be perilous. If bitten, stay calm to slow venom spread, immobilize the affected area, and seek immediate medical assistance. Avoiding injury is paramount. Always inform someone of your route, carry navigation tools, and know how to use them. Proper planning prevents many emergencies. But what if you're lost or injured without immediate help? In such scenarios, conserving energy, finding safe shelter, and signaling for assistance are vital survival strategies. Here's something you might not expect. The most crucial tool in your first aid kit isn't a bandage or antiseptic. It's knowledge. Understanding how to use your supplies and respond to emergencies is what truly saves lives. In our previous episode, we explored essential gear for wilderness survival. Next time, we'll uncover the most overlooked items to add to your EDC kit. Gear that could make all the difference in an emergency. What first aid skills do you consider indispensable in the wild? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Remember to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to stay prepared. Stay safe, stay prepared.